Hi, I'm Sandy. I want to welcome you to Living the RV Dream with Time Traveler 2. And I want to thank you for stopping by. I hope that the hints I give you today will be something that you may be able to use, or maybe you have a friend that might be able to use them. In this episode, I want to talk about replacing window treatments in your RV. You may not need to do this right now, but if you do, these tips will save you a considerable amount of money if you can figure out how to do the work yourself. And here's the thing. Windshields are large and they're an odd size. So to replace the draperies that are on them, and they have to be draperies because anything else will lose your privacy from you when you are camped. The coverings have to go over the whole thing. If your draperies need to be replaced in your RV windows, your windshields, what you need to do is measure the drapes that are there. Take those measurements to a Goodwill store. Goodwill stores always have tons of draperies there. It may take you a little while to find something that will match in color and design, but when you do, buy them. Get some Velcro, find a tailor. Tell him what you are trying to do and ask him how much he will charge to make drapes out of those long drapes that you purchase. In my case, I found a beautiful set of line drapes. Actually, I found two sets. The tailor charged me, I think, $40 to do the work. So for about $80, I had new curtains on my front window, and they were lined and they fit perfectly, and I had an extra set in case those went bad. Now it's probably a little more today. This happened a couple years ago, but it's still going to be cheaper than paying $600 or more to replace them. For the other windows, we measured all of our side windows, and we contacted a place called blinds.com. They are still online today. Sent them the exact measurements. They sent us back very quickly custom cut mini blinds for all of our windows. My husband installed them himself. It cost very little. It was like less than $200 to do all of the windows. What we chose, and what I suggest you choose, are mini blinds that are a neutral color, like white or off-white, and make them the aluminum ones, because those dirt will fall off of them. They're very easy to clean, and they're very easy to take care of. We have done this on 2 different motorhomes, and it has worked out beautifully and has saved us more than $1,000 for the windows. So it's a tip that you can use. Even if you have to have some help putting the blinds up, it will still be something great that you can do to save money. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. And whatever you do, keep living that RV dream. Bye-bye.